Hey everybody, it's Naturally Ann here, and it's been such a long time since I last uploaded a video, so I would like to start off by apologizing for my absence and assure you that I'm definitely probably going to do it again. But I'll try my best not to, but to be honest with y'all, life just really gets hard sometimes, so you gotta take a step back and just figure things out. So if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And since you're here, you should also take a chance to look at some of my older videos and tell me what you think. Leave some feedback, leave likes, comments, share some ideas, tell me what you want to see from me, tell me what you want to see more of, and yeah. So as you can tell from this video, I'm here to talk about where I've been in my absence and why I haven't been uploading videos. And the truth is, I've just been very terrible with my time and terrible with self-discipline and just overall being distracted by things that just weren't helping me move forward and stay motivated or interested in the things that I really truly want to do. I'm a person that can be very lazy and very easily distracted by trivial things that don't truly hold value to my life. And what makes it worse is I am an overthinker. Like, the smallest thing that I get distracted by, I can just think about it and then be like, wait, that don't even matter. So why am I thinking so hard about it? And that leads to me creating problems for myself that were never even there to begin with. So yeah, that's me in a nutshell. I'm also my toughest critic. Like, I criticize myself very heavily in everything that I do, and I gotta chill. I be telling myself, like, sis, it's not that bad. You're gonna get better. Just chill, just chill. So I have a bad habit of making things impossible for myself because I just critique myself so hard. So with all that being said, I've been putting my ideas on hold or just completely forgetting about them because I just feel like it's not going to be what I want it to be anyway. But how will I know if I don't try? In the beginning of 2018, I had a good run going with the self-love posts, but then at some point I realized I wasn't even really practicing the things that I was preaching, and that I didn't really know myself as well as I kind of do now, or like, I don't know, I just feel like I didn't really know what I was talking about. I was just trying to go with what I saw others doing, just trying things to see what would work for me. And sometimes it was helping, but sometimes it was just like, okay, it didn't go the way it did for that person. And that's another one of my problems. I spend way too much of my time paying attention to other people and what they're doing and trying to see or figure out why it's not working that way for me. But I'm a completely different person, so I have to get out of the habit of judging my experiences off of other people's. And yeah, there's really just there's a list of things that I have for myself to work on. And I'm so disappointed in myself for this, but time management is still one of them, because I felt like by this time I should be a master of time management, but to be a master of something, you gotta practice it. So that's another thing that I have to work on. And another thing on my list to work on is creating a daily/weekly routine. And this is critical because it will help me get a lot more things done. Like, just to go off and just be like, okay, I'm gonna do this today and then I'm gonna do this. Like, no, I have to have a set routine for things that I know I need to get done, like specific days for specific things. And I tried this before, but it just, I don't know, like, I just wasn't executing it very well. But I know that creating these routines will help relieve stress from my life and help me think less. And when I say think less, I don't mean like not think, I mean like take away from me overthinking. And like, I'm a preschool teacher, I teach toddlers, so like we have them on a set schedule, a set daily routine, and I realized that I found myself getting into the same routine, and it really helps me in my own life, like outside of the school. It helps me figure things out. So I In being a preschool teacher, I've learned to construct a routine that will be effective even when life throws me curveballs. So once I get into the swing of whatever routine I come up with, I will be sharing that with you guys. And another thing that being a preschool teacher is helping me with is becoming more organized. Now, I've always felt like I had a good sense of organization, but then as I got older, I realized how much of a scatterbrain I have. And having a scatterbrain, like, that'll really reflect on what you put out. Like, the things that's in my head, the way it comes out all crazy, like, it correlates. So my solution to this problem has been to find a space in my mind and just to pick one thing to focus on and work that out and then move on to the next thing. And if there's anything that I didn't get done, I plan a time to go back to it, and then that will help me get things done and be more efficient. So yeah, that's what I've learned about in my absence from you beautiful people here on YouTube who have still been coming to my page and watching my videos and supporting me and hitting that subscribe button. I've also been trying to learn more things to perfect my craft. So like I said, my mind has been consumed by so many other things that I really haven't given myself the time to perfect my craft. But I've been feeling like my video editing is pretty basic, but I've just come to the conclusion that I'm going to work with the skills that I have, and I probably already came to this conclusion again. Before now, but I'm coming to this conclusion again because Premiere Pro is just too much for me to even look at. Like, I get fed up when I open the app on my computer and it's just like things are everywhere, and then I want to open up a video and then it pop up right here, but then you also got it up there, but then you also got to have it right here and right there. No, Movie Maker is in one spot right here, and and then you can see the video on the other side. Like, that's easy for me. iMovie on the iPad, that's easy for me. It's just that my laptop is trash, my iPad is trash, so I just gotta find a happy medium, a way to work with what I got. But everybody else is always telling me, Anisha, Premiere Pro is so easy. Oh my God, all you gotta do is nothing, because I'm not doing it. But I also have to remind myself that these skills do not just come about overnight. So I have been watching so many YouTube tutorials on how to do things. I've actually been taking notes and trying to retain this information so that when I'm ready to actually go to it and use it, I'll feel more comfortable and more familiar with what I'm seeing, rather than just opening it up thinking I'm just about to be a Premiere Pro. No. So outside of YouTube, I do have a lot of other stuff going on. I'm a teacher, and I'm working on getting my CDA, which is a Child Development Associate, and I'm teaching at FDX Pure Soul, located in Livonia, Michigan, teaching child hip hop. And I'm also planning to go back to school in July. And sometimes I feel like maybe I'm putting too much on my plate, more than I can handle, but then that's another one of the things I have to work on, which is doubting myself and just looking for validation rather than being in my bag. In other words, I'm looking for people to tell me how good I'm doing and you can do it, but no, I need to tell myself that, and that's something that I have to remind myself, Anisha, you got this. I literally have to talk to myself, because I don't know, that's just me. That's what I'm learning about myself so far. And yeah, it's just well past time for me to do better. I can do so much better, and I know that, and it's time for me to get serious about everything that I want to do, bringing my ideas to life. And I just want to bring you all on this journey with me and becoming a better version of myself. And I really enjoy talking to people that I relate to. So if at any point in this video you was looking at me like, girl, yes, same sis, me too. Then, you know, leave a comment. Tell me how you overcome these situations, how you dealt with these problems, how you dealt with these feelings, and, you know, just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with y'all friends, because y'all know. Y'all want to know about this puff? I know y'all want to know. Y'all want to know about my twist outs. Y'all want to know about my perm process. Y'all want to know. I know. Y'all ain't even got to tell me. So just tell your friends. Also, just so you guys know, I am still planning to do a giveaway once I reach 300 subscribers. I'm currently at like 260, so 40 more and I'll be doing a giveaway, and you guys will be able to vote on what I should give away on my new Twitter account that's directly related to my YouTube channel. It's the same it's the same name as my Instagram name, @_naturallyann. So be sure to follow me on Twitter. I will follow back because I'm not one of them girls that just don't be following people back. But, you know, hit me up. Y'all gonna see a poll soon. Probably once I get to like 290 subscribers. I'll put the poll up so people can vote on what they will want to get in the giveaway. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.